It started as a routine traffic stop, but within moments, officers would uncover something no one expected.
No, it's even worse.
You can ask questions here.
What's even worse?
What I'm saying is, kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Why the f are they in the trunk? You have 3 kids hiding in the trunk.
Yes.
Is that why you're driving like an in the parking lot?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
On January 23rd, officers with the Westminster Police Department observed a vehicle driving recklessly through city streets. The driver's behavior immediately raised concerns, prompting a traffic stop.
Self-working traffic. Hi there.
Hello.
I'm Officer Kessler of the Westminster Police Department. Any idea why I'm stopping you today?
Because I was acting like an idiot.
Yeah, huge in that parking lot. You're lucky you didn't hit somebody. And then you blew through the stop sign as well. Both of them, one right at the building and then one to come onto the roadway. You have your insurance and registration as well.
I do not.
Okay. All right. Have you been drinking any alcohol today?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So why are we driving like that in the parking lot?
This is a rental, and I'm like, I was just messing around with it.
Okay. Are you sure you haven't drank any alcohol? Because I got a smell of alcohol coming from the vehicle right now.
No, sir. It's my,
Your Zyns? So Zyns are supposed to, they smell like alcohol, or? Okay, that's interesting, because I've got plenty of buddies that use those, and none of them ever smell like alcohol.
As the officer approached the vehicle, the situation already seemed unusual. The driver admitted he was acting like an idiot, but insisted he hadn't been drinking. Despite that claim, officers could clearly smell alcohol coming from inside the car.
Would you be willing to do some voluntary roadside maneuvers today?
yes, sir.
All right, give me a second. Where are you coming from?
Work
Where do you work at?
down in Denver.
Okay, no, I know. Why were you doing donuts in the...
I don't know.
In the
I usually have a truck.
Okay. All right. What's a good phone number for you? Okay. Let me have the keys real quick. And then go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Does that push to start? Okay. Okay. All right, I'll have you step out real quick. Just face the car so I can pat you down. You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. All right, let's go ahead and step over here. I got a bunch of questions for you real quick, and then we'll get going. Do you have a jacket in the car that we can grab you?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's a little chilly out here. I don't want you... Just grab the jacket, and then I just want to make sure you don't have any weapons in the jacket. Perfect. I appreciate it. That way you're not in a t-shirt, man, because I know it's chilly. So I just want to confirm. You're saying you have not drank any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Because you got a smell of alcohol coming from you. All right. Honesty is going to be your best policy. Okay. Did you have anything to drink today?
Earlier today,
When?
leaving work. I don't even know.
What time is? Do you even know what time it is? What time did you leave work today?
I don't even know.
You don't even know. Okay.
6:30.
A little off. All right. So I just got a bunch of questions for you. What's your highest level of education?
I have a bachelor's.
Okay. When you said you had alcohol to drink today, what did you have to drink?
2 shooters.
2 shooters. Okay. What kind of shooters were they?
99s.
Like 99 bananas, 99?
Yeah.
What kind was like 99 what?
I don't even remember.
Okay. Do you have any medical problems, anything like that? Anything that would cause you to not be able to balance, walk, or anything like that? Any injuries?
No.
No. Okay. Any physical defects along those lines? Okay. Are you sick or injured right now? No. Okay. Are you taking any medication right now? What are you taking? On any of those medications, does it say don't drink alcohol with them? Okay. All right. You wear any contacts?
Yep.
Soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft. Okay. All right. When's the last time you ate anything?
I had 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Okay.
And
About how long ago did you eat?
it was noon.
Okay. All right. How much sleep did you have last night?
I didn't sleep.
No sleep?
No.
Okay, so when's the last time you did sleep?
It was last night, but it was not a lot.
Okay.
Like 3 hours, dude.
Okay.
It was like on and off.
All right, so the first test I'm going to run you through, it's just checking your eyes, okay? So what I'm going to do is with your eyes in your eyes only, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger. You can see the tip of my finger, right? Okay, put your feet together first. Hands down to your side, outside your pocket. If you need to slide your hands into your sleeves to keep your hands warm, I'm okay with that. If you want to do that real quick, just so that way your hands stay warm. Do you want to do that or do you want your hands out? Okay, with your eyes in your eyes only, just follow the tip of my finger, okay? You understand? Okay. All right. Go ahead and, so you're going to imagine that there's a line right here, okay? You're going to put your left foot on the line, right foot on the line, right in front of it with your heel touching like this, with your hands down to your side, okay? Go ahead and get in this position. Stay in that position until I tell you to, okay?
The driver was asked to perform roadside sobriety tests. At first, he agreed, but within seconds, he changed his mind. That sudden refusal only deepened suspicion. Moments later, officers made the decision to detain him.
I'm done.
You don't want to complete these?
No.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hand. I'm going to put you on the ground if you turn and try to fight me.
No, I'm not fighting. No. It's even worse.
Questions?
No, it's even worse.
You can ask questions here in a second.
What's even worse? Stop flexing up.
I'm not.
Relax, dude.
Dude, I'm not fighting. What I'm saying is, my kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Why the f are they in the trunk?
Because they're like, Dad, can we get in the trunk and go fast for us? So it's even worse. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why would you put your kids in the trunk?
Just because we're going right here.
Is that why you're driving like an in the parking lot?
Yeah.
How old are you? So you have 3 kids hiding in the trunk?
Yes.
Call for check to 21-225.
Here, if you want to. That way you can.
Please hold on 17 Federal.
Here, let me put them in the back of my car real quick.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. Well, now go ahead and step over here.
Go ahead.
You didn't think that would have been a good idea to say something before?
Seen about a minute ago. She's concerned. Copy. We'll both be around. Can you break for traffic stop? Yeah, go ahead. 72 in Federal is David Ida Tom Paul 09. David Ida Tom Paul 09.
Who's a responsible adult that could come get the kids?
Nick.
In the back.
Nick Collier.
Take a seat.
My best friend, he lives right up the street.
Okay.
Do you need a phone number?
We'll figure all that in a second. Give me a second. Tom 14.
Once in handcuffs, the situation took a disturbing turn. Without being asked, the suspect revealed something shocking. He told officers that there were children inside the trunk of the car. Officers quickly moved to the back of the vehicle and opened the trunk. Inside, they discovered 3 children crammed into the confined space. Miraculously, the children were unharmed.
Okay.
Everybody out.
Go ahead and step over here.
Let's just because you guys it's cold. I'm gonna have you guys sit in my car, okay? Is that your dad?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys weren't kidnapped or nothing?
No,
Weird.
No.
All
It's
right.
our fault. We told him to go.
I hear you. I hear you.
Sorry.
Just go. Don't be sorry. Just go ahead and take a seat for me, guys. If you need to put that seatbelt down, you can, just so all of you can slide in. Okay?
Okay.
Do you guys have mom or anything like that, or you guys just solely live with dad?
We have our mom.
Okay. Where does mom live?
She lives in Centennial.
Centennial. Okay. Do you have other family members close?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right. Just hang out tight. Okay. I'm gonna be frank with you guys. Your dad was driving intoxicated. Okay, so he's under arrest for that. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how to get you guys home safe and things like that. Okay. Do you know where your address is?
Yeah. It's in Arvada.
Arvada. Okay. All right. Just hang tight. Okay.
Just for the notes, can you put on there, this gentleman had 3 of his children in the trunk while he was driving. All right, so here's the deal. State of Colorado, by operating a motor vehicle on the roads already, you've given your express consent for a blood or breath test today. Would you be willing to do a blood or breath test? No? Okay. So that is a refusal. With a refusal, there will be other administrative fees, fines, and stuff like that, and your license will be revoked for up to a year, okay? And then, so you're also going to be charged with 3 counts of child abuse and the DUI, all right? Who's their mother?
Her name's Katie Raiola.
Katie? Do you have her phone number?
I don't know it.
Okay, how?
Do you live with the brother too, Matt? Your kids are saying that you live with your own.
It's my cousin. Yeah.
Cousin.
Yeah.
He lives with you guys.
Yes.
Can he drive?
He's not here right now.
Okay.
He's in Missouri.
So we can contact. So would we be able to contact mom so she can come get the kids?
No.
Who? Because otherwise,
my best friend Nick is right up there.
well, they're not. He's not parent or guardian, so we need to. I need to get in touch with mom because she's going to get the first option to get the kids, but I need a phone number for her. We can grab your phone.
Okay.
All right, we're going to grab that. Anything else out of the vehicle that's important, property, anything like that? Because I saw there's a computer in that duffel bag. You don't want that because we can book it in. You won't be able to take it with, but it's either that or it's going to stay in the vehicle. Okay, just because I don't want it to be in plain sight, I'm going to throw all your stuff in the trunk, just so that way it's out of sight, out of mind. Okay. All right, give me a second. Do you guys have your mom's phone number? Do you know your mom's number?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to give her a call so she can come pick you up, okay? And then once you guys get all your stuff, we can get you back to the police department where it's going to be nice and warm.
Better than my car.
Yeah, because that car is not going to be... And then don't forget your crickets. I'll just throw those in the back too. It's legally parked, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm not... Oh, there's a twisted tea. I'm going to take. Oh, and some vodkas. I'm going to take a picture of those.
Oh, and there's a full pack right there. Maybe.
I'm just going to throw these on the roof real quick.
A search of the vehicle revealed multiple bottles of alcohol, further confirming the officer's suspicions.
That's completely empty. Golly,
You think you
221 10.
kids up from school and then just
I don't know.
221
I don't know.
Attention to your name.
Another bottle of alcohol. The shooter of fireball. These were located all right in the... Uh-oh. Dude, it is frigid.
yeah, it's not great.
So, sorry.
No, dude, don't worry at all. Okay, I have my jacket, my gloves.
Yeah. Well, I almost threw my gloves on and I was like...
Oh, it's medication.
Yeah, we'll just want to make sure that I'm not leaving a gun in the car. Should we just throw the passport and the money in his wallet?
And then up to you.
ahead and step out for me. I'm going to step around this car here in a second.
Sorry, like,
Step to your right to the shiny table. Come this way. As long as you continue to be chill, I'll take the handcuffs off, all right? Okay, do you have a belt on? No? Okay, I didn't think you did. Have that.
I got chapstick.
Yeah, I'll throw that in there too. Yeah. Alright. So what we'll do is I'll just put you in the holding cell temporarily, and then we will we'll pull you back out here in a moment. Go ahead and step with me real quick. We're gonna go down this hallway. Yep, you're good. Just keep your hands like that. You're fine. Yep. You go here. Step to your left right here. We're gonna go in A1. Okay. Keep your shoes off. All right. And real quick again, just put your hands on the back of your, yeah, that's fine too. Okay. Go ahead and take a seat in there. It's not a blanket. You want one? Yeah. Let me see if I can find one real quick, okay? And I'll be right with you.
The driver was immediately taken into custody and transported to jail. Meanwhile, Child Protective Services was contacted, and the children were safely released to family members. The suspect is facing multiple serious charges, including driving under the influence, reckless driving, failure to provide valid insurance, and 3 counts of child abuse. What began as a simple traffic stop quickly turned into a case of extreme negligence and danger, and all of it caught on bodycam. If you enjoyed this breakdown, consider subscribing to Infrared Patrol for more real bodycam cases.